Lesson 30, warm-ups, A, 288, B, 210, C, 94, D, 535, E, $7.25, F, 36, G, 49. Problem solving, 238 times 7 equals 1,666. Lesson 30, lesson practice, A, 24, B, 15, C, 10, D, 1/6, E, 3/2, F, 5/8, G, 3/1, H, 8/3, I, 1/4, J, 6/1, K, 8/7, L, 5/2, M, 12/5. Lesson 31, warm-up, A, 100, B, 222, C, 57, D, $8.75, E, 21, F, 60, G, 8. Problem solving, 10 seats and 20 seats. Lesson practice, A, 24 square units, B, 49 square units, C, 40 square millimeters, D, 144 square millimeters, E, 5 inches, F, 20 inches. 32, lesson 32, warm-ups. A, 300, B, 1,580, C, 73, D, $6.50, E, 120, F, 6, G, 10. Problem solving, 1, 2, and 3 dots, or 15 dots. Okay, lesson practice for lesson 32. A, 2 times 100 in parentheses plus 5 times 1 in parentheses. B, 1 times 1,000 in parentheses plus 7 times 100 in parentheses plus 6 times 10 in parentheses. C, 8 times 1,000 parentheses plus 5 times 10 parentheses. D, 6,400, E, 705, F, 3 hours 50 minutes, G, 3:20 a.m. Lesson 33, warm-ups. A, 500, B, 203, C, 84, D, $7.25, E, 240, F, 12, G, 7. Problem solving, 3 faces, 8 blocks, 2 faces, 12 blocks, 1 face, 6 blocks. Lesson 33, lesson practice. A, 4/5, B, 1/20, C, 1/4, D, 6/25, E, 23/100, F, 1/10, G, 1/5, H, 1/50, I, 3/4. Lesson 34, warm-ups. A, 900, B, 1,130, C, 63, D, $9.50, E, 500, F, 15, G, 12. Problem solving, 3 red, 3 black, 2 black, 1 red, 2 red, 1 black. Lesson 34, lesson practice. A, thousandths. B, 4. C, 2. D, ones. E, cent. F, mill. Lesson 35, warm-ups. A, 1,300. B, 344. C, 76. D, $15. E, 120. F, 360. G, 4. Problem solving. 999 plus 1 is 1,000. Lesson 35, lesson practice. A, 1/10. B, 21 over 100. C, 321 over 1,000. D, 3/10 or 0.3. E, 1700ths or 0.17. F, 123 thousandths or 0.123. G, 5 hundredths written out. H, 15 thousandths written out. I, 1 2/10 written out. J, 7 over 10 and 7/10 or 0.7. K, 31 over 100 or 31 hundredths or 0.31. L, 731 over 1,000 and 0.731. M, 5 6/10. N, 11 and 12 hundredths or 11.12. O, 125 thousandths or 0.125.